Welcome to in this video, I am talking about best cheap electric skateboard of 2024. So number 1, we are talking about the Swagtron SwagSkate NG3 electric skateboard. Is a great choice for kids and teens, offering an intuitive ride with kick-to-cruise technology. It provides smooth acceleration and deceleration, making it easy to control. The lightweight design and durable construction enhance its portability and longevity, although its top speed and range might be limited for more advanced riders. Overall, it's perfect for young beginners seeking a fun and manageable electric skateboard. Number 2, the Razor X electric skateboard is an excellent entry-level option for those new to electric skateboards. It features a kick-to-start motor and a wireless handheld remote, offering a smooth and enjoyable ride. With a top speed of 10 miles per hour and a range of up to 6 miles, it is perfect for short commutes or leisurely rides. However, its battery life and speed might not satisfy more advanced users looking for higher performance. Number 3, the Blitzart Hurricane electric longboard is an impressive choice for both beginners and experienced riders. It features a powerful 350W brushless motor, reaching speeds up to 18 miles per hour, and offers a range of up to 10 miles. The deck is made of sturdy materials, providing a stable and comfortable ride. While the battery life is decent, the long charging time might be a downside for some users. Overall, it's a reliable and enjoyable electric skateboard. Number 4, the Highboy S22 electric skateboard offers a thrilling ride with its dual brushless motors, reaching speeds of up to 18.6 miles per hour. It features a range of 12.5 miles, making it suitable for both commuting and recreational use. The wireless remote control provides ease of use, and the skateboard's sturdy build ensures a smooth ride. However, it might be heavier than some alternatives, which could affect portability. Overall, it is a solid choice for those seeking performance and reliability in an electric skateboard. Number 5, the Hover One Switch electric skateboard scooter offers a versatile 2-in-1 design, allowing users to switch between skateboard and scooter modes. It features a 2.5-hour full charge time, a remote control for ease of use, and a lock and release mechanism for safety. This innovative product is particularly suitable for kids, providing a fun and flexible riding experience. However, its performance may be less appealing to those seeking higher speeds or longer range.